And there are fast-paced developments taking place, viewers, because we were just talking about the Bharuch seat and the very visible divide within the Congress party workers in Gujarat. But it seems for now that Ahmed Patel will not be contesting from the Bharuch seat. He has been denied the Bharuch ticket, and what we are getting to know through sources is that ticket now will be given to Sher Khan Pathan. Now, sources telling your channel that a call from New Delhi by the top leadership was made to the Gujarat Congress after clashes was reported, and those are the clashes actually that you see on your television screens. Those are not other opposition party workers. These are Congress party workers in a tussle with each other. Now, there is a faction that supports Ahmed Patel and there is another faction that is against Ahmed Patel. Priyanka, who's got this breaking development with us, is joining us. Priyanka, what exactly happened in the last few minutes? Because we were talking about Ahmed Patel seeming to be very unlikely to be contesting from the seat of Bharuch. Now it seems that the ticket has been given to someone else.
Well, absolutely. It's a huge embarrassment also for Ahmed Patel, because we had been reporting on the constituency of Bharuch since quite some time, from the time that Ahmed Patel was lobbying for his son Faisal Patel to get a ticket from Bharuch. That did not work out for Ahmed Patel, and then Ahmed Patel himself had said that he will be contesting from the constituency of Bharuch, but that also seems to be denied by the Congress party, because now what we're hearing is that Sher Khan Pathan, who is the Congress youth president, is going to be given the ticket from Bharuch. And yesterday as well we had seen a backlash. We had seen an open rebellion of sorts between these two factions of these two leaders inside of the Bharuch Congress office, where they themselves had sloganeered against Ahmed Patel, and they had said that Ahmed Patel himself is the villain, basically saying that Ahmed Patel is the one who instigates all kinds of infighting inside the Congress party. They pit one leader against the other to compete for a particular ticket, and they lead to all this kind of infighting, and which is why there is a lack of coordination in the Congress party. This is the kind of sentiment that came out yesterday in those very dramatic visuals that we saw from late night yesterday in the Congress party office, where all these people were sloganeering against Ahmed Patel, and they were visibly agitated and angry, saying that Ahmed Patel, somebody who's a leader who's sitting in Delhi, is the one manipulating all the leaders who are locally working for the party. Amita, so this is the kind of sentiment that has kind of flourished in the leaders of Congress in Bharuch at least. But the major embarrassment and the major highlight of this entire thing is that Ahmed Patel seems to be losing his ground in Bharuch, because earlier he had been very strongly lobbying for his son Faisal Patel. We had seen Faisal Patel.
Talking about Ahmed Patel, Priyanka, he holds a very senior position within the Congress party and is a very close aide of Sonia Gandhi as well. So his son being denied a ticket first, and he too now being denied a ticket from Bharuch in Gujarat, comes as a major sticky point there for the Congress party, which seems to be already losing ground with the kind of MLAs leaving the Congress ranks in Gujarat. For the moment, thank you very much, Priyanka.